Hey guys, it's me Momita. Welcome to my channel Sip and Snacks. I hope everyone is doing well, and after a very long time I'm shooting a vlog. Honestly speaking, I've missed you guys so much. I have not shot vlogs and any travel videos from long time. But the news is I'm shooting this vlog because we are shifting to some other place. So we are staying in North Bengal, a town in North Bengal, and we have to shift in different town due to job purpose. We got transferred over there. So this is all about shifting vlogs. I just don't know what to shoot exactly. I will just show you my journey of packing and leaving my old home and going to some other place and all the experience all together. If you enjoy it, please do like and share the video with your friends. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe, because here I share some very interesting cooking videos and share my travel vlogs with you all. So starting with the video, we stay in Jalpaiguri. There is a town in North Bengal, and we have to shift to New Kuch Bihar. There is another town in North Bengal. So I have never been there. This is my first time over in Kuch Bihar. So as I heard from people, place is nice, some historical places are there, and some long histories of kings and rulers, everything. So I'm a bit excited to go actually, but as usual, not feeling good to leave the old place also, because it's been near about 2 years I stayed here, and people were nice, and I make some friends over here, started my planting and every gardening things from here, and my Sip and Snacks channel also. So it's been a nice experience staying this place. And Jalpaiguri is a small town, but very sweet, very nice North Bengal town, and loved it here. Just feeling a little bit emotional when we are packing the things and we have to move. Tomorrow the packers will come, they will take the things, and we have to move that time only. So that's all about this video actually. I will take you through my journey. As you can see, my room is all messed up. Let me show you around first. So you have seen the condition of my house now, because we have opened up the beds. Now from last 2 days we are sleeping in floor. Obviously mattress is there, and now I have to clean up my wardrobe and pack it up. Have done with the clothes. At last point we will do the kitchen, because obviously khana pina to parega hi na. We can't pack it up earlier. Since New Kuch Bihar is a very new place to me, I don't know much about it. If any of my viewers are from Kuch Bihar, or they moved to Kuch Bihar or been there, please let me know the places to visit in Kuch Bihar in the comment section. It will be really helpful for me, and the places I can visit to eat, and what are the good restaurants are there and foods, about everything else. Please let me know in the comment section. And I'm a little bit concerned about my plants, because I have like 15 to 20 pots, not so much 15 to 20 pots like that. Plants are there. So I asked the packers, they said we will take care of it, we will shift it nicely. I don't know exactly what will happen, because I'm much more concerned about them. Other things I can pack and take it will be fine, I know, but the plants I don't know. And I have not been there in Kuch Bihar, have not seen our new apartment. This is a 2 BHK flat, and I think we have booked one 2 BHK only over there, because we stay only 2 people. It's enough space for us, but I don't know what will be the experience, because here I could get balcony to keep my plants, and front balcony is also there. I will show you, and my plants are there, they get enough sunlight and everything. So I'm a little concerned about my plants actually. And what to say. Let me show you my plants.
So last day in Jalpaiguri, final packing by movers and packers.
So we all are packed and ready to move.
So we had lunch somewhere place near Mathabanga, and after some time we reached our new home. This is how it looks like. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed. If you like it, please do subscribe and like and share. Thank you.